In this short tutorial, I will show you how to easily save Pinterest pictures to your phone's gallery. You might find a lot of inspiring and beautiful pictures on Pinterest that you want to save for later or use as wallpapers. Luckily, saving Pinterest pictures is a simple process that can be done in a few easy steps. To get started, open up the Pinterest app, and then find the photo that you want to download. You can select a photo from the home feed, or you can search for something specific and find photos. Once you find a photo that you like, tap and select it. After that, tap on these three little dots at the top right corner of the screen. And then simply tap Download Image. As you can see, that image was downloaded to my device. Now I can exit the Pinterest app and open up the Photos app on my iPhone to see and access that photo. This is exactly how you can download and save Pinterest pictures to your phone's gallery. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.